Guys, today we are back in pickleball court playing pickleball. Today grandpa versus daddy, and both is 1-1. Score is 1 each. Is gone. 2-1. Ready? ಏನು ಮಾಡು ಬಾಲ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು.
ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಓಕೆ ಗೈಸ್, ಮೀ ವರ್ಸಸ್ ಮೈ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಪಾ.
Shubhang did not serve well.
It went out, but it went next to my grandpa. It went out by touch. It out. Oh, no.
The focus is on Shubhang, so let's see how he plays. Being a really athletic or not. Oh my god, he's really athletic. Oh no, stupid fellow. Hey, you should not use. See how. What's that hit called as, Shubhang? You have been playing here from a long time. See, is it a way to hit the bat? ನಾ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಪ್ಪ, ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಮಾಡು, ಸರಿಗೆ ಆಡು ಮತ್ತೆ. ಡ್ಯಾಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಓನ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್. ಪಿಕಲ್ ಬಾಲ್, ಫುಟ್ಬಾಲ್. He hit the ground. He was supposed to hit high, hit the ground. ನೋಡು, ಹಂಗೆ ಹೊಡೆಯೋದು. Shubhang was about to fall. Three minutes ಆಯ್ತು. 3 minutes ಆಯಿತು. ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 3-4 minutes ಅಲ್ವಾ? Who would like to watch a 10 minutes video?
5 minutes video.
No, shorts are only better.
No, never.
Videos, it is long time. Cut it out.